Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing another PR package from Born Pretty. They have come up with some really exciting products this month, so I'm super excited to get into seeing them and doing some nail art. The very first thing I opened is their super top coat, which they added in a new packaging, and you've seen me talk about this product before. I love it. Next up, we have a new product called Jelly Nude Gel, and this is JN04, and it's a gorgeous nude light color. It's really pretty. And then we have another shade of the Jelly Nude Gel in JN03, which is a slightly more pink shade, a little more muted, but still super beautiful. Next up, we have their new reflective Sequins gel, and this is essentially the reflective gel that you see working amazingly under the flashlight, but it also has a little bit of pigment, as well as some sequins that look like glass shards, which I absolutely love. And then we have another shade of their reflective Sequins gel in RS02, and this is a pink reflective gel with those beautiful glass shard type sequins. So these are all the products I received this month. A big thank you to Born Pretty for sending me these products, and let's get on with the nail art. So for today's look, I decided to just put on some press-ons with some sticky tabs, and I wanted to create a look that really focuses on the glitter. So I decided to use all of the products. I just first went on with 2 coats of the first color on 3 of the nails, and then the other jelly color on my remaining fingers, and I really like how lightweight this color is. I think it's really beautiful for spring, and it goes on super nicely. You can do 1 coat if you want it to be less pigmented, but you can see it here with 2 coats that it looks very beautiful. So what I decided to do is essentially take a amount of that first pink gel that we saw, and I just added it in like a half French line on some of my fingers. I chose to do this with the more like pink color that rather than the peachy nude one, and I added it to the side, and I just tried to position the sequins in a way that really reflect light and show off their different colors. So yeah, just super simple, keeping it super easy and making some super cute nail art like that. For the other sequin gel, I went ahead and I added a bigger amount of the bottom of the 2 remaining nails, and then I started feathering it upwards, kind of creating like an ombre with the glitter, if that makes sense. Then I went ahead and I took a liner gel with a nude pink color, and I just underlined the 3 fingers that I added the pink sequin glitter gel. I just wanted to give these French tips a little bit of structure without taking away from the glitter. I got these cute little reflective bear charms from Shein from a haul that you will see probably next week, and I thought that they matched these glitters perfectly, so I just went ahead and I added a little bit of top coat on all of the nails and some rhinestones and the cute little bear on the middle finger, and I just thought it looked so cute. It just all blended so well together, and yeah, these are like super pretty glitters, and I just didn't want to add anything else that would take away from the reflectiveness of these. I just wanted them to be like the main thing of this look. As always, after those cured, I went ahead and I added some cuticle oil to nourish my cuticles. And here's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun playing with these beautiful sequin gels. They're so pretty, and I also love the jelly colors, so I hope you give them a try. If you do, I have a discount code that you can use in the description down below so you can support my channel. Please leave a like and a comment telling me what you thought. Subscribe for more videos every single week. And here you can see what they look like with some flashlight on. They look so cute. Head on over to my Instagram for more pictures of these. Again, a big thank you to Born Pretty for sending me these products, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!